Hello everyone, it's me, Dave, and today we're going into the fields of nature. You want to come along? Okay, let's go. Alright, let's start our adventure. What is this? Shame. Alright, now for the real adventure to start. Wait, look over there! Ooh. Hey, little fella. What are you doing in our neighborhood? Hey, where are you going, Bambi?
Who you calling Bambi, the great Bambito?
Alright, what else can we find in nature? Ooh, a snail. But why is he so big? Why are you so loud? Jeez, I'm right here. Geez, sorry. Why is nature so mean to me? Wait, where are my binoculars? I don't know, jerk. Where are they?
Ooh, I'm trying to find your intelligence.
Hey, give me those.
Fine.
Why'd you do that?
It wasn't really important to me anyway.
Alright everyone, well that was me exploring the fields of nature. See you next time, I guess.
What is he looking at?
Beats me.
What am I doing here?